Hey guys, there's a hurricane coming. I'm sure you guys have heard of it. Hurricane Ian, Category 3, possibly Category 4. I'm in the Tampa Bay area, Wesley Chapel to be exact, and I went to a cute little wine store called Vom Fass. It's French or German, possibly. I can't remember what she said, but this is what you need to put in your hurricane kit. 2 bottles of wine. It's for your safety, for your sanity. Hey, I have 3 kids.
Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary on the ball.